Let's add the water environment. First of all, we are going to locate the village. And we are going to place this capsule near the water environment. Let's put here more or less to appreciate the water. We will rotate that the water environment looks more or less there. We can do it more for diamond. Okay, now let's add the asset we import. For water textures can be found in this folder. We open it and it says water. We open and go to prefabs here. We are going to post this one here to our scene on this side. And now we hit it with F. To locate it there is. We are going to move it with W. We move it and place it where the water goes. We move it upwards. In focus with the F. And we are going to make it bigger with the RW scale. We are bigger. And we move it. We are going to place it there more or less where the water hole goes. Well, there it is very high up. We are going to lower it a little bit. There it is. Here we are going to lower the elevation and here is what I was telling you. That is generating. If we notice it here in sight, is generating PS on this side. That even have animation and should not have. In case there is a P, there should be no animation. Okay, then let's. We go here. We select the terrain and go here to compete. We are going to compete with. Let's paint with noise. We make the brush bigger. And we took it down by force. Okay, in this section here, if we press Ctrl and click on it, we can download it. There it is more or less. No more PS. And we can increase it a little bit. Even here we can soften these slopes found here. But before that, let's give elevation to everything to have a little more pending. To give elevation to everything we are going to select. With this one here, let's make the brush bigger. And we are going to give it a little more strength with the A. We are going to raise all this. It does not matter if the water environment becomes small. We are going to. There it is. Now let's grab the water environment. We understand the W and raise it. Okay, on this shore in that section here. For there should be as a type. I shouldn't have grass so much grass. Because water is supposed to. As it erodes, no. Erodes that part over there like sand. Then let's paint some sand. We leave here we are going to paint texture. And with this one we are going to paint like this at the Oralitas. This little shore here. Could be like sand. It could be like a little bit of pasture. But not completely grass. We can paint him here like this. There it is. Let's locate our gallery here. For the modification it entails, Lord, we are going to upload it. We move it here. There you can appreciate the water a little bit. And with that, we already have our water environment. Here are some small paths that look kind of weird, don't they? Then we can work them. We go here too. Terrain Inspector. And we go here to Sculpt. And we are going to select this option. With that brush, we make it a little bigger. And we are matching this section here. Just a few small touches. Is more or less. There it is, it looks much better. Well, the next video, we will continue with what are the vegetation. I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next time.